Hello viewer, welcome back to my channel. Today we are discuss about 5 coloring book niches, and this is very profitable and unique idea of coloring book niches. So if you are looking in my channel at the very first time, please subscribe to my channel and share my video to your friends and family and whoever is interested in passive income. So now we are going to Amazon Marketplace and find out the profitable coloring book niches. So guys, our first niche is MLB coloring book 2020. So here the results show 98 only. So obviously we can earn a lot of money from this type of niche, from this type of book, to upload on KDP Amazon and earn a lot of money per month. Here here we also shows 124 review, and this is the coloring page. So we now open the book and we also shows the coloring book and the interior pages. Here we show this is the coloring book page, and this is very easy to make this book. This is the first page of interior. This amazing coloring book belongs to Taste Your Color First. Wow, this is very easily to make this book. So this niche is very profitable and high demand and low competitive. So we must be upload this type of book on KDP. Second niche is WWE coloring book 2020. Here the results only shows 54. This is another profitable niche, and we can easily unlimited earning from this type of niche. So guys, we are trying to upload a lot of book from this niche on Amazon KDP. So here we also shows that is very low competition niche, very low competition niche. Wow. And our third niche is Pokemon coloring book 2020. Here the results only shows 795. So this is also another big niche, Pokemon coloring book 2022. So we are easily make Pokemon coloring book. Here we can see one review, and this book to make very easily. Here we also shows Pokemon 4,424. So when we are when we are work with coloring book, then we also check trademark and copyright. So we can check this book. No, here no, only not trademark, because this is not a movie, or this is not a movie character. Here it also shows we can check this niche trademark or not. No, this is no TSS records were found to match the criteria of your query. So this is not a copyrighted and trademark product. So we can easily make this book and upload Amazon and earn money from Amazon KDP. So we can safely make this type of book and upload this type of book on Amazon KDP. Now our fourth niche is cat coloring book for kids ages 4 to 8, 2022. Here the results is only shows 650. So this is another very highly profitable niche. Here we shows result 57 review. 57 review only. 57 review. This is a pet sticker puzzles. So we can obviously make cat coloring book for kids and earn a lot of money. Okay, now our fifth niche is NFL logo coloring book 2020. Here also shows 106 results only. So this is very profitable niche of Amazon KDP. So we here the results only shows 9. Here the results only shows 263. So we make a nice cover, qualityful cover, and nice manuscript interior pages, then we can earn a lot of money from this niche from Amazon KDP per month. So guys, but today's 5 niches is very profitable and with low competition. So we are trying to upload a lot of book from this type of niche. So guys, if you get the profitable niche from my today's video, today's video, then if you have liked my video, I do really appreciate a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that bell icons so I can actually share with you more niches, more ideas, and help you to scale, to develop your self-publishing business. So until the next video, look forward to seeing you then. So guys, what type of video you demanding from me? So please comments with my video and like and share my video with your friends and family, whoever is interested in passive income. So thank you so much. Thank you all.